So market is open, stock is trading, Microsoft, MSFT. What to watch from here in terms of technical levels? Let's have a look. Stock at the moment trading at 245. So let's zoom out to a daily chart. So on a daily chart, you will see that from its bottom, it's pretty much significantly higher. So let's measure how much it's up from this low at the moment, 14%. And let me bring up moving averages. So on my chart, red line 200-day moving average, yellow line 50-day moving average. This purple one is 100-day. So if you look at this chart right here, just short term, if you zoom into this last November, December, you will see that the trend, the 200-day moving average, still to the downside. But if you look at the 50-day, it's trying to curl, okay? It's not downtrending anymore. It's pretty much in a consolidation mode, maybe, even with the stock, if you look at it. So ideally, if you're someone who is anticipating, or if you're in a just waiting mode, just like me, because Christmas rally shouldn't it doesn't have to happen, right? But usually it starts second half of the December, if it does. So to go long MSFT, I'm basically looking for the stock to hold this 50-day moving average, and I'm looking at that level as a support. So basically this $240 level, that's what I'm watching as a support, and potentially how high it can go. Well, I'm looking for somewhere all the way to this 200-day moving average, okay? And also that 200-day moving average, if you just measure from 50-day how much of a move it would be, 10% move. So basically these are the levels, like resistance. If it gets back above this recent 255, 265 is pretty likely, this 200-day moving average. And also if you look at the option market and just take a look at this implied volatility by December 30th, it's implying to move $16, okay? So which is pretty much in line, but I don't want to overpay for these premiums just by going and buying $260 call for December 30th at $2. I'm just patiently, cautiously waiting. If it doesn't happen, if it slips below 240 and even doesn't hold 235, then I'm gonna be watching it to the downside. And to the downside, that's all-time lows 213. That's the support I'm watching. If it does not hold this support 235 and 50-day, I'm watching it to the downside all the way to that level. So right here, right now, risk reward. So basically there's not much of a risk to the downside because of the support levels. So risk would be to be cautious to short it here, because overall S&P 500 pulled back. You got to be cautious shorting stocks at the support, because they can rip right back up, or it can just chop around and pretty much chew you out if you are someone who trades premiums. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with Microsoft. I'm not gonna talk, we don't talk much about fundamentals. If you are some fundamental guy, you can definitely go take a look at even Thinkorswim. There's a lot of things you can look at here. Just go to analyze, you will see everything, what it has been doing, where the revenue comes from, all the good stuff, and how they reported earnings, what has been going on with numbers, earnings, all that good stuff right here in Thinkorswim. Also, I wanted to say that we have a Discord group in the description below. It's completely free, just check it out. But mainly there are a bunch of option traders. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.